MasterChef's amateur cooks have been through 2 tough challenges. Now it's decision time. Who will make the top 12 and who will be going home?
We've got a Scotch fillet there. It's got a little bit of garlic and rosemary butter. Nice medium rare.
Sirloin kebab with a Moroccan spice and a grilled vegetable salad.
How did you know when your meat was cooked?
I was guessing.
You were guessing.
Oh my God.
Surf and turf. I did a mushroom sauce and potato chips.
So quite a lot going on.
Yep.
Stew. The rosemary with the prawns and the garlic and the sweet chilli. That's a dish that no man or woman can turn down.
Michelle, surf and turf, mushroom sauce. You did the nice, simple things and you did them brilliantly.
Kathleen, you go right out there and put little pieces of meat on some sticks. What do? You cook a medium rare. You guessed a little, but you got there. Ballsy. Rock star.
You're all going through.
Oh my goodness.
Congratulations.
Woo! Top 12. I've only got to knock out 11 more and I'm there, so.
I'm going to be #1 MasterChef. I've come here to win.
So we've just got the steak here. Out of the 3 core ingredients, we've only got the steak. Is that right?
That's right.
Right. MasterChef's over for you, I'm afraid.
I just feel gutted. I could have done a lot better, but I knew that, you know, I didn't deserve to go through it all.
Definitely overcooked. Jumper, I'm sad to say that the MasterChef journey ends here for you.
Thank you. I wish I could have carried on. Things just didn't go my way today.
Got a marinated eye fillet with a potato and pea puree, and prawns, and then around the outside is kind of like a herb and green chili oil.
You just did it again, didn't you? A million things on the plate.
We understand you can cook, but it gets confusing when there's too many elements. It's confusing for the palate. Nadia, you get to move through to the next round,
Thank you.
but you need to get control of your cooking.
Thank you very, very, very much. I think maybe just too many ideas come to my head. I'm not sure what happens.
Coconut roasted caramelised chili steak and a tropical salad.
Perfectly medium rare.
Even though in my heart I felt it was a good dish, I'm not the judge.
Jax, we've had a really tough time making our decision.
It's been good having you in this competition so far.
You're going through.
I got through to top 12. Such a hard day. Ecstatic. This is me ecstatic, yeah.
It's a very neat and tidy chef's presentation, I have to say. Cameron, every single thing went together beautifully. I could sell it in a restaurant.
Mate, I'm wrecked. Made it.
Robert, you cooked your meat correctly, even though it's something that is out of your comfort zone. Thank you.
You're through to the next round.
Thank you so much. As a vegetarian, getting through on a steak that was cooked properly, it's really ironic.
And Anthony and Sam, the two of you are going through.
Yes. It's amazing. This is where it is properly life-changing.
That was hard.
Luann, your eggplant was very strong in garlic and kind of overpowered the whole dish.
So, Luann, I'm afraid just haven't cut it today. And your MasterChef journey, it's over.
Hey, Luann, there's a good cook in you.
Now it's just back to life as I know it. Just gut it.
I've done a Scotch fillet. With that, I've got Moroccan chutney, a simple potato salad.
Great, so quite ambitious to do a chutney in 1 hour?
Really ambitious.
Overall, I think the dish is excellent. Nicely cooked steak, fresh, spicy, sort of sweet chutney. Reminds me of Mum's tomato sauce. Everything that's great about summer.
Two great dishes today, well done.
Thank you.
You're going through. Congratulations.
Well done.
That was intense.
With only one place left in the MasterChef Top 12, whose steak dish will most impress the judges?
I've made a barbecued Scotch fillet steak and a ginger and lime butter sauce.
It seems there's a little bit of lack of direction on the plate.
Alex, we've got something here that's had a little accident.
I would prefer it to be in tower form, but it's a traditional Thai dish, and I've put a modern spin by having a barbecued eye fillet on the side.
I look at this and I think that your steak's a bit undercooked.
For me, that is medium rare because if I say rare, it's mooing.
Sirloin steak topped with seared prawns, a thyme and lemon butter. Potato cake with smoky aioli and char-grilled asparagus.
Perfectly medium rare. Fiona, great prawns on top of that steak. It's cooked well. I love the potato. The sauce was good, but there was nowhere near enough of it. I like to think our decision was right last year.
Oh, here we go again. You know, clearly I don't have the talent required to be here.
There's only place for one of you here.
Fiona, you deserve to be here, and I hope you go a long way in it.
Really? Really?
I don't know what you've been doing over the last year, but things have gone right up here.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's been such a wild ride today and just cooked and cooked and cooked, and I loved every minute of it, and I thought, can't imagine life any other way.